Hi, my name is Scott S. Miller, and I'm a product specialist here at Kuhn Krause. Today I'm going to take you through the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide is available, and it should be shipped with your machine in the operator's manual box that you see behind me. If you can't locate it there, you can also get it at mykuhn.com, or your dealer can help you obtain a copy through the dealer portal. First of all is hitching the machine to the tractor. First, you'll need to ensure that the pin is in the proper hole for your category hitch of tractor. Next, make any hydraulic connections and your electrical connection. Then lift the machine off the ground and raise the parking stands into this position that you see here. Next is to go and adjust your center frame gauge wheels, which is accessible from the rear of the machine. If you set your ratchet jack with a setting of 24 inches from pin to pin, that will give you a good starting depth of approximately 10 inches. Next, take the tractor to the field, lower the unit to the ground while pulling forward about 25 feet. After that, view the frame from the side and see if it's approximately level. If it's out of adjustment, use the leveling link on your tractor, or if it's a pull type, use the leveling link on the pull type model. After you've pulled forward, one thing that you need to do is check the coulter alignment and ensure that the slice lines up directly with the shank. Also, the coulter needs to be adjusted in depth to ensure that you're fully cutting the residue. If you have a pull type unit, one of the last steps that you'll need to do is lower the front gauge wheels on the front of that unit so they're firmly in contact with the ground. If you have a folding unit and you unfold after you unfold the unit, you'll need to make sure that the locking pins are in place on the front and the back of the machine. For more information on the 4835 inline ripper or any other Kuhn tool, visit us on the web at kuhn.com.